about how to register as a content creator on TikTok to earn money. But first, let me tell you that how you can earn money on TikTok. There's three things you can earn money on TikTok. The first thing is that you can add a link on your account, a link for a product you sell. You can add products on any website that offers products you can sell and earn money. Then you can promote some videos in your account about this product and ask your followers to navigate to this link and buy that item. The second thing is that when you go live, if you click on the button, you can see that you can go live. And while you are going to live, your fans may send you gifts. You see here there is balance. This is your balance. Followers can buy balance and send you gifts through live video. Then you can earn money. The third thing is that to register as a creator. So to register as a creator, go to these three dots up, hit them, and then go to creator. Then TikTok creator fund. You need to register as a TikTok creator fund. Hit it. Wait for a few couple seconds, and as you see here, this is the rules to register as a TikTok creator fund. You need at least 10k followers, at least 10k videos views in the last 30 days, in the last month, and you should be 18 years old. Click apply, wait a few seconds, and here, as you see here, this is where the TikTok creator funds are available at the moment. Maybe TikTok will spread this for more countries in the future, but for now it's available for United States, United Kingdom, Germany, France, Italy, and Spain. If you are living on one of these countries, you can apply for TikTok creator funds. Let's choose United States, hit save, and I agree with the terms, and hit next and confirm. And thank you for applying and able to accept your application. At this time, TikTok Creator Fund is not available in your location. This is because I'm not living actually in United States, so I'm not eligible to get to register as TikTok Creator Funds. This is how you can earn money on TikTok. This is three things you can make on your profile to earn money on TikTok. Don't forget to share this with your friends.